So here's a really cool teacher tip on how to make a forced copy on Google. It works on Google Slides, Google Doc, Google Forms, and even Google Sheets. Here I'm on Google Slides and I'm going to go ahead and select that share button. And there's two options when you're sharing. You could change it to anyone with this link or you can change it to restricted. So I'm going to select anyone with this link. And then there are three options. There's viewer, commenter, and editor. So you're going to select editor and you're going to select done. And I know it's really challenging to see the link up here. So I made it nice and big over here for you to see. Basically, what you want to do is you want to delete all of this mumble jumble all the way up until the word edit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done. So backspace all the way edit, and you're going to write the word copy. Okay. And over here, I'm going to do the same. Go back, 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 back. And you're going to select the word copy. And now if I want to send it in an email to a friend or a coworker or a family member, all they have to do is it forces them to make a copy of this Google slide. And the same would work for Google Forms. What you want to do is you want to go up here and you want to erase the word edit and replace it with copy. Okay. And there you have it. And then this one is Google Doc. Same thing. Instead of the word edit, you're going to backspace and write copy. And this is Google Sheets. And again, you want to erase all this mumble jumble, go all the way back and stop where it's the backslash and write copy. And that's it.